Keep running! He's gaining on us! Faster! Over there! He's gonna get us!
Viewers, first take a look at this channel and these videos. These cartoon-style videos are absolutely incredible, and they are one of the hottest trends right now. Just look at the quality, storytelling, and engagement they generate. The best part is that I created this type of content using 100% free AI tools. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open YouTube. Once YouTube is open, let me show you a channel called Mary Daily English. As you can see, this channel has around 59.8 thousand subscribers. What's even more impressive is that the channel is fully monetized and is generating approximately 11.2K per month, which is absolutely amazing. Now let's move to the popular videos section. Here you can see that many videos have crossed hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. I'm scrolling through several examples so you can see the potential of this content style. There are videos featuring rabbits, lions, pandas, and many other animal characters. These simple animated stories attract a huge audience and keep viewers engaged until the end. Now that you've seen the channel and its performance, another interesting thing is that this is an English learning channel. It combines storytelling with language learning, which makes the content highly engaging and shareable. Because of this, these videos often go viral. Viewers love watching them, and many channels using this strategy are successfully monetized. That's one of the biggest advantages of this niche. Let's move on to the master prompt that I have already prepared for you. You can find this master prompt in the video description. If you can't find it there, simply leave a comment and I'll provide it to you. This prompt contains everything you need, including important rules, character selections, scene structures, image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts. To make it easier for you, I'll highlight the character section. Now, simply copy the entire master prompt and open Gemini, Google's powerful AI tool. Gemini can generate images, videos, and much more. However, in this tutorial, we're using it to create our story structure and prompts. Paste the master prompt into Gemini and click Generate. Within a few seconds, Gemini creates a complete story for us. It generates Scene 1 with an image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover. Then it creates Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and continues all the way up to Scene 10. As you can see, every scene comes with a detailed image prompt, a video generation prompt, and a complete voiceover script. Let me zoom in and show you these scenes more clearly. You can see how engaging, creative, and well-structured each scene is. Now that all the prompts are ready, I simply copy them and save them into a prompt document for easy access. Next, let's generate the images. For this step, we'll use Flow AI, which is a completely free AI tool. I open Flow AI and select the Nano Banana 2 model. Then I copy the first image prompt and paste it into the generator. After clicking Generate, the image creation process starts. Now we just need a little patience. And there it is. The first image is ready. Wow! Take a look at this result. I generated it in a 16:9 aspect ratio because I want a full cinematic story format suitable for YouTube. The image quality looks fantastic and matches the prompt perfectly. Next, I copy the second prompt, paste it into the generator, and click Generate again. After a short wait, the second image is ready as well. Now I continue the same process for all remaining prompts. I copy each prompt one by one, paste it into Flow AI, and generate the images. While I'm generating new images, the previous ones are already being completed in the background. After repeating this process for all scenes, every image is finally ready. Take a look at the final results. All the images have been generated successfully, and the quality is truly impressive. Each image perfectly follows the prompt and creates a consistent visual story. Now, I simply download all the images in high-definition quality and save them to my computer. And now, viewers, it's time to move on to the free AI tool. Alright viewers, now it's time to open the website called PixVerse AI. This AI tool is absolutely amazing, and the best part is that it is completely free to use. So don't worry about spending any money because everything I'm showing you today can be done without any investment. Once you open the website, simply sign in using your Gmail account. As soon as you log in, you'll receive 90 free credits. As you can see on the screen, I currently have 90 credits available in my account. Another great feature of this platform is the Earn Credits option. This allows you to earn additional credits for free. For example, if you invite one friend using your referral code, you'll receive extra credits. The more friends you invite, the more credits you can earn. On top of that, the platform also offers daily rewards, allowing you to collect additional free credits every day. Now let's take a look at the platform itself. Here you can find multiple options, including image generation, video generation, and templates. However, today's focus is on video creation. So I'll start by uploading my first image. After uploading the image, I'll enter the video prompt, select the appropriate aspect ratio, and then simply click on the Create button. As you can see, my first project has started generating. The image is now being transformed into a video automatically. All we need to do is wait for a few moments. And boom! My first video is now ready. Take a look at this result. The video is incredibly smooth, clean, and professionally generated. What's even more impressive is that this isn't just a simple animation or motion effect. The platform has generated a complete 5-second video with synchronized voiceover, making the content much more engaging and realistic. Now let's move on to the second image. I'll upload the image, enter the prompt, and once again, click on the Create button. As you can see, the second image has also started converting into a video. Let me remind you once again that PixVerse AI is completely free to use, and you'll find the link in the video description below. And now, as you can see, the second video is ready as well. Look at the quality of the motion, the smooth transitions, and the overall visual appeal. The final result looks absolutely fantastic and highly professional. Now, several of my videos have been generated successfully. Once again, PixVerse AI is an excellent tool for creating AI-powered videos quickly and efficiently. Next, let's move on to my favorite AI tool, Flow AI. Flow AI is another powerful platform that offers amazing results. I'll switch to the video section, upload my first image, enter the prompt, and click on the Generate button. To save time, I'll generate multiple videos simultaneously and then show you the final results. As you can see, 4 videos have started generating at the same time. Now, let's check out the final results. Amazing! All 4 videos have been generated successfully. The quality is outstanding, the animations are smooth, and the overall visuals look extremely professional. You can clearly see how powerful these AI tools are when it comes to creating high-quality content in a matter of minutes. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed today's video and discovered some valuable AI tools that can help you create professional animated content completely for free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. Your support motivates us to continue bringing you more powerful AI tools, creative ideas, and step-by-step tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting idea. Until then, take care and goodbye.